Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mazda CX-9 oil. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies, including a drain pan, a new oil filter, and the correct type and amount of engine oil. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands for safety. Always refer to your Mazda CX-9 owner's manual to confirm the exact oil specifications and capacity for your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Once prepared, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Carefully remove the oil drain plug using the correct size wrench, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. While the oil drains, inspect the drain plug and replace the crush washer to prevent future leaks. Once the oil flow slows to a drip, reinsert and tighten the drain plug securely. Next, locate and remove the old oil filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Clean the oil filter mounting surface thoroughly. Apply a thin film of new engine oil to the rubber gasket of your new oil filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Do not over-tighten. Finally, carefully pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the engine's oil fill port, checking your dipstick as you go. After refilling, start your Mazda CX-9 engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the oil level on the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Always dispose of used oil responsibly at an approved recycling center. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.